所以如果美元涨的话 ，OK， 黄金就跌，美元跌，黄金就涨。所以这个资料其实是非常重要，而且这个数据也是非常重要，因为很多人他们不知道，哎，为什么某某东西会涨，某某东西会下。虽然你看图表虽然你会看图表啊，但是你也是需要知道一些资料了哈。So based on my views that you can look at the chart, okay? Basically, the chart will be able to tell you the signal, okay? So that's why, okay, you basically no need to know the reason, okay, if you follow the chart, right? So, but however, I still share with you what is the reason, okay, so that you can have better understanding. So in fact, what you see right now is the real data. So that's why my suggestion to you is that, if you can read the chart as many times as you can, okay, you have the advantage. 我的意思是说，如果你看图表的话，其实你看图表这些都是real data 根据市场的数据买卖数据 buy sell transaction. Okay, if you don't see this data, then if you go and read the news might be too what we call that might be too late 了所以如果你等待这个消息出来的话，有可能这个消息会很久才出来。当然，如果你看图表的话，它就会很快就看出来 ，right? So this is gold and what we call that the US dollar. So next thing we take a look the index. Okay, index. 所以现在我们看这个 index. So index. So Straits Time Index, right? So 海指表现怎样 ？OK， 其实海指表现不是很好 ，Alright， 其实海指表现都不是很好。所以如果你看今天的话 ，if you look at the Hang Seng Index, right? Hang Seng Index close up 3%. Okay, Hang Seng Index close up 3%, but STI didn't move, and in fact it dropped a little bit. So what does that mean? That means maybe STI follow the US market, right? Okay. STI didn't follow the China market. Okay, so you have to be careful 啦。所以我个人认为的话，其实如果你看海指的话它没有什么波动，或者是没有什么走动有可能它是等待这个消息的出炉This week we have a major event not we have US have a major event. Okay, later I will share with you. So maybe a lot of investor waiting for the data to be released. Okay, so that's why the investor are not taking the activity to buy the stock. Right, so that's why there's not much moving. And then the support level. Okay, the support level. Where's the support level? Right, so the support level is here. 所以 support level 的话是差不多是在3200点了所以你要注意一下，如果这个 support level 的话可以维持在这边的话 then 没有什么大问题。如果它跌破这个3200点的话 then 有可能 STI 会进入这个 corrections. So what I mean is that right now is still okay because the STI index still maintain at above the support level. So what if let's say the STI index break below 3,200, then you have to be careful all right? Maybe STI will enter correction if STI break below 3,200可以吗？所以你有纸的话可以写下来。所以当然，如果它跌的话，有两个阶段 ，OK？ 如果它跌的话，3000 OK， 差不多3000左右，3080点是一个 support，then 最后是差不多是2970点也是一个 support。如果还只有跌的话，其实是可以买进的机会。所以现在其实是不上不下不上不下的话会比较难买，现在。所以如果你有一点耐心的话，你就等了。 So what I mean is that right now, the index didn't really drop much. So that's why you have to wait patiently, okay? What I mean is that, of course, we want to buy low. If the index can drop, okay, I believe it's an opportunity to buy, okay? So right now, there are two levels of support, okay? If the price break below 3,200, then the next support level will be 3,090. And if 3,090 break below again, the next support level will be 2,970. Right? So this is for Singapore market. And we take a look S&P 500. So S&P 500 still considered downtrend, right? So it's considered downtrend. So remember, I did talk about S&P 500 during that time when the index hit the resistance. 所以当时候几个月前我也是跟大家分享说，那时候美国市场已经到顶了是该时候逃离一些逃离一些。所以如果你们有上这个研讨会的话你们就会有可能做取一些行动然后卖出一些股票，然后买进这个香港股市。So if you still remember during the interview with 958, right, I also mentioned that, okay, if you make some money in the stock market, why not you allocate some of your money, maybe 30% of your money to invest in the Hong Kong stock market, all right? I think some of you still remember. So this is what you're supposed to do, because when one of the major market enter recession, if you don't want to participate, other market, like for example, Hong Kong or China, may be the one that you are looking for. All right. So right now they are near the support level also. All right. But it depends if the price break below the support level, then the next support level may be lower. Okay, may be lower. So 关键就是在这边，就是这个是 support level, alright, 3700点左右，3700点左右。So still consider downtrend, okay? And NASDAQ 100s. NASDAQ 100 also downtrend, okay? NASDAQ, right? And then the price is near the support level as well. The price near the support as well, okay? The support level, strong support level is 10,540. 10,540, right? So still consider downtrend, okay? Consider downtrend, all right? So be careful, but anything can happen, okay? Anything can happen because the major event to be happen in this week, Thursday and Friday, all right? So if the news is good, then they will rebound. If the news is not good or the data is not good, they will continue to go down, all right? So you have to be careful. And lastly, Hang Seng Index, all right? So Hang Seng Index, basically they break above 200-day moving average. So officially they are entering a bull market, okay? Officially they are entering bull market, okay? 所以恭喜你们，如果你们有买的话，所以每一次 OK 我都有提醒大家要看这个香港股市，要看这个香港股市 alright? So we can see that this is the first time they break above 200-day moving average, but right now it's considered high, okay? 所以如果你们还没有进的话，我个人认为的话，你们等它 pull back 了 alright? But 如果你看其实它是没有什么机会给你进场 alright? So if you look at the chart, right, okay, in fact they begin to be bottom, okay, on November, and then they actually give you 2 months to buy. So if you didn't buy, okay, what happened? If you didn't buy, what happened? The price already went up. So now it's considered high. Okay, now it's considered high. So maybe you might want to wait for the pullback. Okay, pullback. Okay, 差不多是 20,000 okay, pull back around 20,000. So I'm not sure they will pull back or not. Maybe will, okay? So what's go up will pull back. So we can see that they went up, pull back, went up, pull back, went up, pull back, went up, maybe pull back, okay? So we see how. So when they pull back, then you might want to revisit some of the good stock 嘛 ，OK？ 可以吗？所以其实如果你看到这个恒生指数的话，到目前为止它已经涨了42%。OK， 42%很牛啊！哦，它继续涨 ，within 2 months，OK， 短短2个月，其实没有什么机会给你进场。当你想好的时候，股市就是这样，哦，当你还没有想好的时候，OK， 还在犹豫的时候，它已经涨了。哦，当你做了决定要买的时候，它就开始跌，都是这样。All right, so that's why you have to learn. Okay, you have to learn. All right. You know, through these mastering price actions. So the major event, okay, to be happen this week. So you can see that major market like US, okay, is not much movement, okay. It's because they are waiting for the important data to be released this week. All right. 所以你可以看到美国市场，其实昨晚没有什么走动哦。其实我相信，这些investor 是等待这个消息出炉了哦，所以这个星期的话，有可能它的波动也是会很大。如果它的 data 是好的话，当然美国市场就会涨了。but 涨的话也是有可能短暂性，因为 index 还是属于下降趋势哦。So what I mean is that okay, if the US market does rebound, okay, you have to understand is that overall still downtrend. So when they rebound, okay, hit resistance, they may pull back as well. Okay, they may pull back as well. All right. Reason is because the interest rate is not they are not going to stop the interest rate to be increased, but they are going to slow down. Okay, and the inflation still high. Okay, so that's why 美国市场就是会进入这个经济衰退哦，就是这个原因。Right, but short term may rebound anytime 啦，哦 ，short term may rebound anytime. Right. So 这个是 major event that you need to take note, especially you buy US stock, okay? Especially you buy US stock, and I also believe that Singapore market, Singapore investor also waiting for this data, all right? So that's why you can see Singapore market, okay, is not moving as well. 所以我相信很多这个新加坡投资者也是等待这个数据或者是 data 出炉了哈，所以你可以看到这个指数也是没有什么涨哦，有可能他们是等待这个 data 出炉。All right. So before I go to the what we call that my watch list, let me share with you some of my testimonial, from my student mastering price action course. So that's why by looking at the chart, the pattern is important because overall we are looking at the real data. 所以我们看这些图表啊，其实是真正的 data 来的哦，不是假的 data。我们其实是在看真的 data 哦，所以你去读那些 news 哦，其实不一定是真的 news 哦，尤其是这些报告写的 news。So what I mean is that if you go and read the news, right? Okay, the news may not be real one. Okay, the news is actually written by analysts who are hired by the broker center, broker center, okay, to write bad news to make the retail investor fearful so that they can sell the stock. So that's why I would prefer to look at the chart to tell me what is the pattern so that I can make my own decision, which I have been doing all the time, which I already show you. So thank you, Candy, Siemens, Roy and Raj, and many of you who give me a very good testimonial for attending the Mastering Price Action course. Alright, so this is a stock watch list. Okay, so DBS 我们直接看它的图表，直接看图表。Alright, DBS. So basically, if you look at the DBS, right, DBS already high. Okay, double bottom. Okay, double bottom. So 这个地方 okay, so although it's near the support level, all right, but it's pretty hard. Okay, it's all depend on the what we call that. It all depends on the data to be released this week, and you can see that it's moving down slowly. Okay, a bit weak. Okay, a bit weak. But of course, if they can go back here, 32.4 would be good 啦。当然如果是 DBS 有跌差不多32块4毛的话，有可能是比较好的进场价位。Then UOB also near peak as well. So UOB is near peak, right? So you can see that when the price near $32, they begin to pull back. $32, they begin to pull back. So this time, will they pull back? Okay, this time, will they pull back? We do not know yet. So it all depends. Okay, if they break, then they will go down. Okay, if they rebound, the resistance is 31.34. Okay, 31.34. And then OCBC, yeah, pull back a little bit. Right, so the support level is here. 所以那个银行股票的话，有可能到这个顶部了哈，所以有可能会回调。如果回调是好事哦。So the support level I think will be somewhere around here. Right, 11.80 cents. Okay, if they pull back, right, if they pull back. So next thing is a Genting. 所以我们先看这个 Genting 新加坡。So Genting Singapore is very bullish, right? Super bullish, okay? So 之前我也是跟大家分享这个云顶还没有上之前呢所以现在上了差不多多少 percent？ 差不多有17%, right? 所以也是恭喜你们了如果你们有买进的话。So the support level is 815. Unlikely they will pull back 815. I think the trend will continue. Okay. So if you take a look, so 你可以看到它的趋势很强非常强的趋势 ，right？ 所以有可能会到1块钱哦。So maybe they will reach $1. Okay, Genting Singapore maybe will reach $1. So if you look at the price, look like the price unlikely to go down. Okay, I think the trend will continue. I think the trend will continue. 所以我个人认为的话，有可能它不会回调有可能它不会回调。我个人认为的话，看它的图表，好像是它会继续的涨了继续的涨。继续的涨的话 ，then 你就没有机会进场没有机会进场 ，right? So we observe, okay? But anything can happen although when I say the price may continue, but anything can happen, alright? So still need to be careful and set stop loss if you enter at a high price, and followed by SIA. So SIA also near high. All right. So the price is near support level. So 如果它有回调的话，跌破的话，有可能 the next support level will be here. Right. 所以如果你问我的话，我个人认为我比较喜欢它回调了哦。So if you ask me, I would prefer the price pullback. Okay, I would definitely prefer the price pullback, right? So now it's pretty high. Okay, it's pretty high. Okay, so there are two levels. Okay, $5.40. Okay, of course, if they can pull back here, would be nice 啊。哦，如果它也回调到5块钱，当然是一个很好的价钱哦。但我不知道它会不会跌到5块钱，这就很难说。OK， 就很难说。And then China Aviation。China Aviation 今天涨，所以是恭喜你们。OK， 如果你们有买的话，如果你们有买的话，也是恭喜你们。OK， 因为之前也是有在这个WhatsApp 跟大家分享这个股票，Telegram， 所以它的股票继续的涨。所以给你们看那时候是在什么时候 ？OK， 什么时候有讲到这个股票？China Aviation， 这个是 DBS。Yeah，OK。China Aviation， 那时候是23号 December 有讲到这只股，那时候它的股票才8毛钱。So previously we talked about this China Aviation G92 before the price breakup, okay? When the price was around 80 cent 之前有讲到，所以如果你有这个 Telegram 的话，你就有收到这个讯息了也是恭喜你们。OK， 如果你们买到的话，所以现在是9毛39毛3。Right, 9毛3. So still bullish, right? Still bullish, okay? Very bullish. And followed by Sembcorp Industry and Keppel Corp. Sembcorp Industry look like near the peak as well. So be careful, okay? The resistance is 差不多3块4毛7 3块4毛8 is a resistance 了3块4毛7 4毛8。So previously support level, rebound, okay, rebound. And Keppel Corp Keppel Corp 有稍微回调一些 ，OK， right。So Keppel Corp 是什么价位？如果能跌到 ，the support is here， 7块1是一个 support level 了7块1是一个 support level，alright。So the stock price is still uptrend, okay? Uptrend, consider uptrend. So what I mean is that Keppel Corp may remain, because as long as you know the conflict between Russia and the Ukraine continue, I believe Keppel Corp will continue in momentum, right? So now it's pull back, okay? Pull back, and if the support is broken, okay, the next level is $6.85. 所以第一个 support 是7块1，第二个 support 是差不多6块8毛5了整体来说 Keppel Corp 还是属于上升趋势的股票上升趋势的股票如果有回调可以看涨了如果有回调的话可以看涨 right and ThaiBev and Emperador ThaiBev THAI 所以 Why Thai beverage is because food and beverage. Okay, hopefully they will do better. Okay, where's the resistance? Obviously, the resistance is somewhere around here. 7.05 is a resistance for Thai and beverage. So the support level is 63 cent. Okay, 63 cent. So 主力是705 ，OK， 它的support level 是63 support level 是63 ，and then Emperador 是新股 ，alright， so 新股的话，其实它是做什么股票啊？其实它是做什么东西 ？Emperador。So Emperador, right? So they are selling brandy, okay? So from Philippines, right? From Philippines and listed in Singapore. So 之前有回调一些， so 现在慢慢涨。And followed by Olam Group, okay? Olam 其实是不错 ，OK？ So 其实1.4毛8是 support level 啦，它的 price is hovering near the support level. So if the price can stay above the support level, I think the price may continue. Okay, I think the price may continue. So we can continue to observe if the price continue to increase. So the resistance is $1.60. 所以如果它的股价有涨的话，它的 resistance, okay? Resistance 是在差不多是1.6毛了，1.6毛。And iFast. So iFast 的话，其实也是不上不下 ，OK？ The support level is $5.75, okay? $5.75, alright? So not sure will they break out or not? Not sure. (其实是不懂它会涨还是会跌了哈，所以你们要注意一下。iFast and lastly 是这个 Raffles Medical。So Raffles Medical 是在 resistance. So if the price can break out, okay, then the price may break out. Right, so this is a Raffles Medical. 新加坡股讲完了，我们看一下香港。香港的话，其实没有什么变，来来去去都是这些股。Alright, the Hong Kong stock watch list doesn't really change much. Okay, Alibaba, Tencent, Meituan, BYD, these are the stock that I keep mentioning because of the fundamental good company. So what you can do, you can apply the technical analysis to enter the stock price. Okay, that would be good. Shabu Shabu is a restaurant. So as of now, if you look at the price, they went up 139, okay? 139%. So you can see that Hong Kong, when they went up a lot, okay? Went up a lot. So that's why one of my favorite market, okay? One of my favorite market. AK Medical. AK Medical is a healthcare stocks. So they begin to rebound as well, okay? So once the price break above the 200-day moving average, the price continue. But a bit volatile. So if you don't like the volatile stock, you can skip lah. ，OK。But what I mean is that I looking at the sector，OK。所以其实我是看这个 sector 来选股票的哦。So if you look at the sector, right, I look at the sector first, and then after that I choose the stock. Okay, so why most of the people buy the wrong stock is because they don't look at the sector. You have to know what is the best sector. Okay, you have to know what is the best sector in the market, and then after that you look for the individual stock. Okay, then after that you draw the chart, which I already showed in my mastering price action workshop. AK Medical, and what else? Chunli. Chunli Medical. So Chunli Medical is also a healthcare, right? So they begin to rebound as well. So what about your stock? Maybe you can share with me your stock in the Q&A session. So if you have any stock, you might want to let me know the Q&A session. Can we still hold on the bank stock or still can accumulate slowly? Yeah, you can, May. The bank stock is meant for long term. It's meant for long term. Correction will happen, all right? If you are holding a long term, you no need to worry lah. Okay, so you have to understand the time frame. Oh, Yang Zijiang, what happened? Yang Zijiang, I don't know. Yang Zijiang already sold. So we also mentioned Yang Zijiang in the Telegram group.哦，所以杨子江昨天我们就有就是说有发一个信息给客户们啦，就是说要小心啊。昨天已经跌了6%。So first of all, okay, when the price drop, right, okay, drop like what we call that abnormally, okay, drop abnormally, okay, with the bearish candlestick like this candlestick, super bearish candlestick. If you are using technical analysis, basically the action is to sell, because by the time you find out the answer, it might be too late already. So 我的意思是说，你看到这个 bearish 的蜡烛的话，其实是告诉我们应该卖出的时候。如果你还 hold 住的话，我个人认为的话，如果明天它没有涨继续跌的话，你要继续的小心了哈，继续的小心，有可能一块四毛四是顶部 ，right？ 所以这一次跌法呢，其实不是说散户在卖，其实是大户在卖哦，大户在卖，所以你们散户要小心啊，如果你们还 hold 住的话 ，right？ So basically, when the stock price drop, right, based on technical analysis, we will sell, right? So by the time you look for the answer, it might be too late. Silverlake. Silverlake look good, all right. Support, there are two support level, okay. One is here, the other one is here. So they begin to pull back, okay. They are moving up slowly. 所以 Silverlake 的话是慢慢涨啊，慢慢涨。所以当然有涨就有跌，有涨就有跌 ，right？ 所以有可能 support level 是在差不多3毛2，3毛2左右。Keppel Ascenda Street。这个股票波动很大哦。So if you want to buy this stock, I believe this stock is for you to keep dividend, right? Am I correct? So if you are looking for dividends, suggestion is that always buy near the support level. Always buy near the support level. Okay, so the support is 264. Resistance is 296. So it depends on you if you want to hold, right? But each time when you hold, the price will pull back. Okay, 所以每一次如果你可以看到它上到2.9的时候，它就开始回调。So 是看个人啦。So if you are collecting dividend, basically you no need to sell. But what I mean is that if you can make, let's say for example, you enter near the support level, if you can make 11%, why not? Why not, right? So that is my view, okay? SIA Engineering. So SIA Engineering, like what I have drawn previously, the price actually break out, and currently they are hitting resistance. Okay, so what happened is that will they break out? Look like they will break out. Look like, okay. 看它的样子的话，好像会突破。看它的样子，好像会突破。Right? Because SIA Engineering is part of the aviation sector. So aviation sector is quite strong, right? So if aviation sector is quite strong, I believe SIA Engineering got chance, okay, got chance. Tesla, TSLA. Right, so Tesla basically still weak. Okay, if you look at the support level was broken during that time. Okay, once they broken, okay, the price continue to go down. So with a super big volume, okay, with a super big volume, so a bit worried. Okay, currently the price near the critical support level. Okay, currently the price near the critical support level. So you have to be careful lah. If the price break below the support level, then you need to take some action. Okay. PFE, Singtel, PFE. So this stock rebounds strongly and hitting the resistance. So the support is $41, okay, and the resistance is $54, all right? So I think where is the support? The support is somewhere here, I think. Will they go down further? Right? So it's a bit volatile stocks, a bit volatile stocks, right? Singtel, okay, 我们看一下 Singtel. So apologize to everyone if I not be able to cover your stock, okay? 所以非常遗憾，如果没有讲到你的股票因为太多股票要讲了So Singtel, what happened? Also dropped, right? Let me see. So the price look like at the support level. So it's currently near the support level. Is it buy signal? Is it buy signal? Not sure yet. Not sure. Okay. Unless the price rebound. Okay. Not sure yet. Okay. 除非它的股票是 V shape. Alright. So if they break below like this one, then you have to be careful. So currently it's near support level. So 现在是差不多是在2.5块这样左右是 support level. AAPL 美国市场不好 right 所以 AAPL break below support level. Okay, I think the downtrend may continue. So downtrend may continue. All right. So US, the technology stock is no good. So you have to be careful. So Franken sell long time ago. Franken supposed to sell long time ago. Right. So depend on what is your strategy lah. If your strategy is short term, then you're supposed to get out already. TSM. TSM currently near the support level, okay, but the price still considered downtrend, 所以它还是属于下降趋势的股票，虽然是在 support level, okay, quite a strong support level. $74 is quite a strong support level, right? And Sunny Optical 2382. Now this stock haven't moved yet. So most of the stock already moves except these stocks. Interesting. And today, what happened today? Why the selling is so aggressive? Something wrong with it? So we can see that the selling is quite aggressive with the high volume and the bearish candlestick, right? Something wrong with these stocks, okay? So you have to be careful, okay? Maybe you want to look for other stock, other better stock, the Hong Kong. There are many better stock. So it's look weak, this stock look weak, right? China Aviation already talked about it. Best World. Best World. WORL. Best World, okay. So Best World 以前这只股是很出名啊So last time this is a popular stock, right? Last time. So now I think got potential. Now the price already break above the support level. Okay, break the resistance now 1.84. So I'm not sure the price will stay here, continue, or there are two scenarios. All right, so got potential because the price break above the resistance, okay, with bullish candlestick, all right? So we see how tomorrow, okay, got potential this stock. Best World. APEC. APEC, huh? APEC is downtrend, 不是很好。APEC is considered downtrend, all right? So so the support is quite strong here. Support is 54 cents, okay? So maybe the price will move in this direction. Then after that, I'm not sure will they break down or break up. So it's moving in the descending directions, right? Guizhou Maotai. Okay. This one is a Chinese stock. All right, we take a look. KWEI. KWEI. So Guizhou Maotai, how is it? All right. So they are hitting the resistance, okay? Although it went up a lot. So already went up 30%. So maybe you might want to wait for pullback. I think it will pull back before they continue the trend, before they continue the trend, right? So this Wuliangye Chinese stock, Baijiu, went up. When was the peak? Went up 1000%, right? So Chinese stock also have what we call that 1000% movement, okay? 所以不要小看这个中国股票了，其实中国股票也是有很多机会哈，也是有很多机会 ，alright? So maybe last stock, okay, last stock ST Engineering, we see ST Engineering. What happened? So ST Engineering. How is it? So they are still moving at the support level or 50-day moving average. Look like the price is moving up slowly. Okay, hopefully the price will recover one day. Move up slowly, and hopefully they may recover one day. So the resistance is 3块4毛8. The resistance is around $3.48, right? So this stock the movement a bit slow 了它的movement 会比较慢一点，所以你就要有耐心啊，如果你有买到的话 ，alright? So the movement a bit slow, so you got to be patient for the price to rebound, alright? But what I mean that the selling was too aggressive, 已经受伤了，所以它需要一点时间来恢复。So you can see that the selling was aggressive previously, so I think they need some time to rebound lah. So if you are buying, then you need to be patient. All right. Okay, so that's all from me. Okay, thank you for your time. All right. So I hope you learned something new today. So what I'm going to share with you is a mastering price actions, currently still under subsidy. So if you know someone, who are interested to attend the workshop, you might want to share this workshop with them. Because currently still under subsidy, depend on the age, 70% or 50%. So last year, those of you who attended with 90% subsidy, congratulations. Okay, so you can see that each year the subsidy is reducing, all right? So if you are interested tonight, okay, make sure you take action. So before I start, okay, now the problem of the retail investor is that they always buy the wrong stock, and then the mindset is always want to keep the stock for long term. Okay, want to keep the stock for long term. So stock like, fundamental good company like Sembcorp, StarHub, Informatics, OS Group, all these stocks are currently downtrend. So if you are collecting dividend, all right, it doesn't make sense because the price drop, okay, may not be able to cover from the dividend as well. So that's why you have to be careful, okay? If you want to avoid what we call that, this type of stock, you want to improve your portfolio, okay? Make sure, okay, you must know when to sell. So some of the delisted stock like Noble Group, M1, NOL, Midas, Swiber, Ezion, Yuzu sound familiar to you. High Flood, Blue Moon, I think some of the stock you bought it before, okay? Then it went bankrupt, right? It's because you do not know when to sell and you do not know why you need to sell, or there's no signal to tell you when to sell. So the solution to this is what I call price action, okay? Price actions. Why price action? Because price action allow you to identify the chart with the pattern so that you can study the patterns to make your own judgment and decision to sell before a stock is going up or going down aggressively. Now, why this price action is more effective is because we are looking at the real data, okay, or real transaction, okay, real transaction through candlestick pattern. Through candlestick pattern.